Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 4.2, Problem 5. This is Section 4.2, Problem 5. It says determine if the given pair of triangles are congruent. If they are, state the reason why, such as side, 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 angle, or angle, side, angle. So what we have is an angle and then two sides in a row, which is not one of the options. So that would mean they're not congruent, but they certainly look congruent. Why not? Well, let's say you start with a 25-degree angle, then you have a side that's 6 and 3. And these look the same, they probably are the same, but watch this. Let's have a 25-degree angle, just like that, a side of length 6, and then a side that's length 3. That could also be 25 degrees, length 6, length 3, and clearly that's not the same. So having an angle, a side, and another side don't guarantee congruence. Coincidentally, it might be congruent, but it's not a proof that it's congruent. So for number 5, the result is not congruent.